Hey guys, today we're having a look at how to make the plain past tense of an adjective. So as we know, in Japanese there are two different types of adjectives. We have an I adjective and we have na adjectives. So in the event that it's an I adjective, what you need to do is drop off the des from the end of the sentence. So des after I ending adjectives has no meaning. It is used to make the sentence more polite. And removing des makes a sentence informal and so less polite. So for example, if we wish to say something was wonderful, and we know that our adjective for wonderful is subarashi, so we put subarashi into its past tense, which is subarashi kata, and we drop off the des. So subarashi kata is the plain past tense way of expressing something was wonderful. Now if it's a na adjective, in the case of na adjectives and also nouns, the deshita does have meaning as opposed to I adjectives where it doesn't really mean anything, it's just used for politeness. So deshita is there to convey the idea of the past tense as well as to make the sentence polite. So the plain form of deshita is datta. So what we need to do is change deshita to datta if we wish to express something in a positive state. So for example, something was awful. Iya datta. So we change deshita to datta here. Or someone was a teacher. So we're using a noun in this case. Teacher is a noun. Sensei datta, was a teacher. For negative sentences, however, we need to remove des altogether. So was not awful, for example, would be iya janakatta. So janai is the plain negative state, and we need to put it in its past tense. So we're going to drop off the I from nai and we're going to change it to kata, which puts it into a past tense state. So was not, jana kata. And then we leave off des because again, des will simply make something more polite or formal, and we want to stick with something casual. So that's about all for this one, but if you have any questions or comments, please let me know.